Okay, now we're ready for the next step. But you know what I'm going to do before I do the next cone? I'm going to color in the whiteboard so that I don't make any mistakes, because I'm starting to have a nice look here and I don't want to make any mistakes. So if I fill this in now, that will really help me. So I'm going to start doing it here. I can come back in and do more. I'm just doing a light layer right here on my whiteboard. And that'll just help me see the whole thing well. Okay, maybe you want to do that too. Okay, so now it's really starting to look real. I'm going to do the same thing I did here, but with the cool colors. And so my cool colors are going to be purple, that's going to be my darkest, then my blue, and some white. If you wanted to add some green, you could, and I might, because I know these are ice cream cones, but to me, they look like snow cones, and I think green would be lime, and that would be really fun. So we'll see. Okay, but I'm gonna start by putting in my darkest color here. I'm doing some circles, and I'm gonna make that nice and big. Then I'm gonna put in some blues in the middle, and maybe a touch of green over here, and then some white. I'm remembering that my light is over here, so this side's going to be lighter. Oh, see how that orange? I don't want that. I want to clean off my pastel. Okay, now I'm going to come around here and just have this light side and start blending my green, blending into my blue. Oh man, that looks delicious. Oh man, can we just take an ice cream break and go get one of these? That is sounding really good to me right now. It looks so icy and refreshing. This is a little small. I want to make it a little bigger up here on the top, I think. Okay, so now I'm going to go back in with my colors and do a little more blending on top of my white. And a little more purple over here. I'm not pressing hard. You know, I'm just kind of pressing medium as I build each layer. Okay, but I can feel that I'm getting a lot of build up here. It's not going to take much more. And so I kind of can't, I have to be careful not to do too much. Okay, I think that's going to be good. That looks delicious. Now back to my cone, a little bit of brown here. And down here. Headed down towards the bottom of that little cone. And I might use this fleshy tone a little bit this time. I'm not sure I love what I did over here. So I'm going to use this fleshy tone in here, this peach. And just there. There we go. And maybe a little more. What do I want to do? Maybe a little orange in there. Could. You know, it's just fun to experiment. Let me get some more brown. Okay, that'll work right there. There's the front of my cone. Which one do you like better? Do you like this one or this one? I think I like this one. I went too dark over here, I think, with that blue. But, you know, we learn as we go. Okay, so now I'm going to leave this one open, but I wanted to make it look real. So I have this blue line, okay? In fact, I'm going to pause it right now, and then we're going to finish up.